One of the best ways to get new clients into your law firm is through referrals. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to generate referrals for your law firm. Referrals are golden. Why are they golden? It's like free money. You don't have to spend money on marketing. You don't have to do anything. Somebody tells their friend that you're a lawyer that they can trust. They walk in the door and say, "How can you serve me?" So how do you get strategic about referrals and make it happen for you? The key is to identify your referral partners. Now, past clients might refer one person here, one person there. What you want to do is identify somebody who's coming into contact with your ideal client on a regular basis. For example, if you practice business law, maybe an accountant is a really good referral partner for you. If you practice family law, maybe a marriage therapist is a really good referral partner for you. Once you've identified your referral partners, the key is then to establish a relationship with them. Just like you, they need referrals too. They'd be willing to open a relationship with anybody who can potentially move the needle for them in their business. Once you have that relationship going, now we need to lean on an expert in this area. My friend Stacey Brown Randall, she wrote the book, How to Get Referrals Without Asking. And in that book, she describes this concept of touch points. Essentially, when you make a touch point with somebody, it reminds them you exist. And we want to stay top of mind throughout the year. So she tells us to do 8 or more touch points a year in order to stay top of mind with our referral partners. Before I continue, if this concept of being strategic about referrals has blown your mind, I invite you to subscribe to this channel because we're going to be releasing other ideas similar to this one. With those touch points, there's different levels. For example, an email is not as valuable as sitting down to coffee with somebody. So what we want to do is we want to identify a number of touch points that are scalable, that are not sitting down and having coffee, but are something that we can do in mass to all of our referral partners at the same time. Once you understand this concept, now it's as simple as writing down a plan for it. What we're going to do is just take a spreadsheet and we're just going to make a list of all the possible touch points we can do. And we're going to choose some. So maybe you have holiday cards that you send out. Maybe you have a gift that you can send out that's associated with some other holiday relevant to your niche. You should have at least one in-person touch point with every referral partner throughout the year. In-person typically means getting together for coffee, but in today's day and age, it might mean a Zoom call or a phone call touch point. The last miracle step of getting referrals is just being intentional with how many you need. If you can estimate how many referrals a specific referral partner can bring, and you know how many referrals you need, you now know how many referral partners you have to establish and maintain a relationship with. It could seem daunting, but the reality is that this should not be the only source of marketing. It's just a way of getting access to some of that easy money. If you want help with implementing this strategy, or you want other ideas when it comes to marketing and help with implementation of those, we have a marketing coaching call every single month in our elite coaching program. It's just one of the benefits of membership there. To learn more, go to profitwithlaw.com/elite.